TCS, India's largest IT company, just announced a massive workforce reduction for quarter 2025, next quarter. Over 12,000 employees, mostly in mid to senior roles, will be impacted. Why is this happening? And more importantly, is how can you protect your job? Let's break it down. So they are reducing the 12,000 jobs across the global TCS global region. So TCS cites a disruption, changing the client demands and skills mismatch as the primary reason. In the simple terms, AI is automating many routine and even strategic tasks. Business want faster outcomes, not just experience, and many roles have not evolved fast enough to meet the current needs. This is not about the cost cutting. It is about the becoming more agile, future ready, and skill driven. If you don't update, then you will be having a problem with that. Let's look at the numbers. Total workforce of the TCS is 6 lakh 13,000 around. So they will reduce around 12,200 jobs. That is 2% reduction. Last year attrition is 13.3%. Average learning hours per employee is 96.4 hours. This show how important continuous learning. Thus layoffs occur across the geographies and business units, but will primarily target the mid-level and the senior level positions only. They don't target the fresher level position. Here is what this means that current and aspiring IT professionals, you need to learn and get experience. Roles will be outcome based, not seniority based. You need to learn fast, unlearn the outdated skills. Okay, unlearn the outdated skills and relearn the new tools. Key areas need to focus are AI/ML integration in IT, DevOps and site reliability engineers, cloud, AWS, Azure and GCP engineering, cybersecurity, automation, and low-code platforms. HR teams now push it to forecast future skills, fill workforce group gaps, and build internal pipelines of the agile target. So meanwhile, National IT Information Enabled Service Employees Union had demanded intervention from the Ministry of the Labour. They asked TCS to follow the due process under the labor laws and consult employee representatives before executing the layoffs. This story is still developing. Stay tuned for more updates. TCS is not alone. This is the start of the bigger trend in technology. If you are an IT professional, student or fresher, now it is time to level up your skills. Subscribe to more fresher jobs. Like this video if you found this useful. Comment below what is your take on TCS layoffs. Stay informed, stay upgraded. Jai Hind.